Hello and welcome back to Guitar Club. Today in this beginners and children's kids easy guitar lesson, you're going to learn how to play Iron Man in 3 simple steps. Here's your fist bump and here comes the intro. Okay guys, so I'm hoping you've got a guitar as well in your hands because we're going to go on to step number 1. First of all, we're going to be playing everything on the thick E string, the low E string, you know the one at the top? Getting quite used to this string now, aren't we? So, let's play that string open. Open just means that we're not playing any frets on the guitar, so we just do nothing with this hand, just play that string open. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. We won't even need to repeat that, we're going to go straight on to the next note. So the next note, we're now going to take the same string like I said before, but we're going to go to the 3rd fret. So 1 fret, 2 fret, 3 fret, and we're going to go just behind the fret like normal, press down there. While you're pressing that string down, we're going to pick that note, that string, and after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Now we're going to play the 3rd fret again. So it's going to go oh, 3, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So next, we're going to move your finger now up to the 5th fret, and we're going to play that one twice. So it's going to go oh, 3, 3, 5, 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 3, 3, 5, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, 5, 5. That's step 1 done, guys. That's awesome. Before we go on to step number 2, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification icon. Ready for step 2? Here we go. Step number 2. So we're going to come down the neck a little bit more with step number 2. We're going to go down to the 8th fret. So let's count our way down. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to play the 8th fret, and then we're going to move that back, so we play the 7th fret, so it goes 8, 7. All right, let's just do that once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in step number 2, they're the only 2 notes we're playing. The only thing now though is, we have to be able to do that 3 times quite quickly. So it's going to go 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, like that. So let's try that a few times. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I actually like to do it with my 2nd and 1st finger. So it'll go. Now it's up to you if you want to do it like that, that's absolutely fine. If not, just one finger's fine. But it is better in the long run if you start being able to use your 2nd finger and your 1st finger. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how about this? To end step 2, let's put together step number 1 and step number 2 and see how they sound together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 3, 3, 5, 5, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7. So it's hard to say. In fact, I'd say it's easier to play than it is to say. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's step 2 done. Now, obviously, I'm guessing you're aware that there's a really famous superhero called Iron Man. Why don't you let me know in the comment section below which superhero is your favourite, and maybe tell me which superhero theme tune you like the best. And the final part, guys, step number 3. What we're going to do now is, we ended on fret number 7 in step number 2. We're now going to take that all the way back to fret number 3 again, and we're going to play that one twice. Right, let's just do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, this is very similar to something that happened in step number 1. We now take that up to the 5th fret, and we play that twice. Let's see how that sounds, those two notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's brilliant. That's really easy, that, isn't it? Now we're going to put it all together. So it's going to go 0, 3, 3, 5, 5, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 3, 3, 5, 5. Sounds like a lot, but I think you can do it. Just put the steps together and you'll have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Well done, everyone, that's everything. So all you have to do now is put it all together, get it practiced, and you are going to be a master of playing Iron Man. Remember guys, if you film yourself playing this tune, ask a grown-up to put it on Facebook or Instagram. If they say it's okay, get them to hashtag it DGuitarClub and hashtag DGuitarClub Iron Man, and you'll see if you can get your video posted on the Guitar Club Facebook page. Thanks very much for doing the lesson. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, all of that stuff, and I'll see you in the next lesson.